Okay, where are we going, Achu?
We're going to Scotland to run.
Yeah, so we'll do kayaking, right?
We reached at the Scotland Run program, and it's a very cool area. And there, I was trying to feed the goose, but like he wouldn't come to me, which was very sad.
Yeah. See, look at me.
And then now we are here kayaking.
You like it? So we get to see a lot of fishes, right?
Yeah.
How is your experience?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay. Good job, Neil. Really good.
Yeah.
So what else did you do? Achoo!
Oh, what else?
There's some lily pads and all. See that?
Yeah.
So what else did you do?
I just played at the playground
With your friend, right?
Yeah.
നോട് കണ്ണ ആ പാട്ടും പാടിയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ തുഴഞ്ഞതിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ പോകുന്നത് നല്ല രസമല്ലേ? Enjoy the video. അല്ല ഞാൻ പറയും ഞാനിങ്ങനെ
The video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
What? I didn't even switch it on.
There's a person all the way over there. Actually, might be the villager. Might be right. It was a second time.
Ah,
A Lamborghini? What is it? I think it's big.
അയ്യോടാ അതൊക്കെ അത് നല്ല രസമുണ്ട് ഫിഷ് പിടിക്കുന്നത് നോക്കിയേ. And എന്തായി? Okay, Neil, how was it?
Yeah.
Good? Really enjoyed? Huh?
Well, yeah. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Every day, yeah. Every day, yeah. Turn it up. I love this station. 93.7 WSTW.
There are some things you can